Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Marangis from DMAX Digital Channel. In today's video, I would like to teach us on how to buy USDT from P2P and how to sell your USDT in P2P based on the problem that we have here in Nigeria, that the banned Binance P2P. We usually using Binance P2P, and I would like to show us on how to make that transaction exactly that as we are making in Binance here in Kucoin. If you have Kucoin, you have to download it, make KYC. Check the video, check the link below. It is I just dropped the link on how to create a Kucoin account and verify it. So let's get into the video. The first thing you have to do, once you open your Kucoin account, you will see it like this. You come to this area, it is automatically at home. Then you check where the P2P is. This is P2P. You check it, then you click it. Once you click the P2P, the first thing you have to consider is this. You have to understand that, make sure that you fund your account, that is local account, whatever country you are. You make sure that you have the total amount of the target that you have, that is the money, that's fiat money, into your account. I mean the personal account, country account that you have, not crypto account. So once you come to this environment, you want to buy crypto or you want to sell crypto. This is the area. This is selling and this is buy. So this sell and this buy, sorry. So once you come to this environment, I want to buy. Don't stress yourself by scrolling down by checking off the customer that you can be able to buy exact amount of USDT from. For example, I want to do this example as a Nigerian, so I will click this area where I cycle amount. I will click the amount here and then put it in Naira. Look at the sign. This is the sign of Naira. If you are in another country, you are going to come to this area, this environment. You click it like this, it will automatically takes you up to the country, other countries' money. For example, if I am living in Canada or US or Brazil, in Brazil I can use this BRL. I click it like this, it will take me to the Brazilian currency. So I am in Nigeria. I'll click here and type NG. I'll use my country money. So once you use your country money, for example, if you are Nigerian, you click this environment, it will take you to this environment like this. You put in the amount. I want to buy for 100,000, for example. Click it like this. It will automatically gives you the people which are legit, that they are collecting the minimum of 100,000 transaction. I hope you understand. Before you do it, I told you that in the beginning of this video, I told you that you have to get the exact amount in your pockets. You understand? So let me click the first person. I see his capacity is very good. Look at the capacity for the guy. So I'll show you. This is the capacity for the guy. He do well 100%. So that is why I choose it. All this process we are considering it in Binance too. So once you come to here, you write your 100,000. You understand? For example, let me put a 60. Let me put a 20. Let me put a 400. Let me put a 10. Let me put the amount 100,000. Look at it here. The 100,000 will give me 62.695 cents US dollar. This is amazing. US dollar one is 1,595,000 naira. Now, so look at the amount I'm going to get with 100,000 naira based on Nigeria. Once you put it like this, and then you come to this environment where you say buy, and click the buy, it will automatically takes you and the guy where I want to buy the coin from. He will see the pop-up that someone book an order from Kucoin P2P. You understand? Read this area, switch to the choosing payment platform to make your payment. Once done, return to Kucoin to continue with your order. So I'll come here and say pay. Look at it. I click it, say pay. So now this is the full name of the guy. This is the full name of the guy, and this is the phone number of the guy. You understand? I say complete payments. And I click it. So I have to check the account number that I supposed to pay the payment with. Then let me go back. Okay, where is my transaction? As you do this, something like this, don't be confused, please. It is very easy. This is the area you have to click. You will see your transaction. If not that, you will see your transaction popping up here. Then you click it. Once you click, that it will automatically popping up again. So you copy the account number of the guy and then you make the payment. That is it. The account is PalmPay, the account number is that phone number. You understand? So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If the video is good for you, subscribe it and share it to your family and friends for education. Thank you.